Ahmed Siddiqui, a research scholar in the School of Chemical Sciences. If you are passionate about chemistry and want to build your career, then this video is for you. Let me introduce you about the School of Chemical Sciences. The School of Chemical Sciences is headed by Professor Dr. Dinesh Kumar, who is figured among the top 2% scientists worldwide. The school offers programs in Masters and PhD in Chemical Sciences. If we talk about Masters, the syllabus is designed as per the national level exams, and that's reflected from our students who have qualified CSIR, NET, GATE and other state level exams. And students are currently in IITs, IISERs, NITs and some foreign universities. The school also provides well-established and well-equipped labs, not only for PhD scholars but also for MSc students, where they can get hands-on experience and can develop their practical skills. Our school has dedicated and well-experienced faculty members working on various research areas. Other than well-established labs, the university provides Central Instrumentation Facility Center, where high-tech instruments like PXRD, SEM, TEM, NMR, PGA and all other instruments are available. At the end, I welcome you all to enroll yourself in our school Masters and PhD program. For further information, kindly visit our website